How to make money on YouTube in 2022. 7 simple ways. Hello everyone, my name is Saad. I welcome you all in this video. Press the bell icon and subscribe to Knowledge Builder. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. You'll have to agree to follow all of YouTube's monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then you can apply for monetization once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Here's how to enable monetization on YouTube. Sign in to the YouTube account you want to monetize. Click the icon for your account in the top right corner. Click YouTube Studio. In the left menu, select Other Features Monetization. Read and agree to the YouTuber Partner Program terms and eligibility requirements. Create a new Google AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to get paid. Set your monetization preferences. What is YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a paid membership program that lets fans watch and support their favorite content creators without ads. For creators, not much changes, as they will get paid for content consumed by non-members on YouTube, along with content on YouTube Premium. Creators are paid for YouTube Premium based on how much members watch their content. Consider revenue earned from YouTube Premium subscribers as a secondary revenue stream in addition to what you're already earning through ads. 2. Sell products or merchandise. There are plenty of products to sell that can help you make money through your YouTube channel. Selling merch, t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks. You name it has a benefit beyond revenue. Merchandise increases your exposure by putting your online brand and personality out into the offline world and deepens the relationship between you and your fans, as they literally buy into what you're doing. Creators like Roman Atwood sell a variety of merchandise in his store under the Smile More brand. And when it comes to handling orders, you can integrate your store with services such as SIRS, or one of the many print-on-demand providers that take care of shipping, fulfillment, and customer support, letting you reap all of the benefits of a print-on-demand business that requires less effort on your part. 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. When money is all that stands between an idea and its execution, crowdfunding is a good way to make it happen. Whether you need help buying better equipment, hiring actors, or covering other production costs, you can call upon your own audience and the crowdfunding community to pitch in. If your idea is compelling enough, many successful crowdfunded creative projects tend to offer a sneak peek or trailer that gets people excited, so consider shooting a video explaining your project, or offering a taste of what it'll be like, such as this popular Kickstarter for Kung Fury, a short film paying homage to 80s action movies. Popular crowdfunding sites with a proven track record of campaigns from YouTubers include Kickstarter, one of the most well-known crowdfunding sites, great for funding cool products and creative projects. Be sure to set an attainable funding goal because you'll only secure it if you actually meet the goal you set. Indiegogo, a Kickstarter alternative that offers more flexible funding options. 4. Let your audience support you through fan funding. Similar to crowdfunding a project, you can also set up fan funding streams to source donations from your audience. As a creator, you're contributing your voice to the internet without forcing your audience to pay for admission. So, if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms offer creators another place for people to discover their content and a way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. Some popular fan funding options include YouTube's Super Chat. Super Chat is a feature used when doing live streams on YouTube. It lets you create a tipping jar for your viewers to donate whenever and however much they feel like contributing. You'll need to set up your YouTube account for advertising, as outlined above. Channel memberships. Channel memberships let viewers support your channel through monthly payments in exchange for members-only perks. Similar to Super Chat, you must be a part of YouTube's partner program to access this feature. Patreon, the membership platform that makes it easy for creators to get paid. Fans can subscribe to their favorite creators for as little as $1 a month and receive exclusive rewards. Type P. This platform lets you get a combination of both one-off and recurring donations. Buy Me a Coffee. Buy Me a Coffee lets creators and artists accept donations and membership fees from their fans. It's referred to as the #1 Patreon alternative with over 300,000 creators. The differences are it's easier to accept payments with Buy Me a Coffee. There is a flat 5% fee for all features versus up to 12% for Patreon, and payouts are instant. 5. License your content to the media. If you happen to create a viral video with mass appeal, say, a funny clip featuring your dog, you can license your content in exchange for money. TV news outlets, morning shows, online news sites, and other creators might reach out about rights to use your videos if they happen. You can also list your videos in a marketplace, such as trusted media brands, where your content will be easier for the right people to find and purchase. 6. Work with brands as an influencer. Brendan Gahan, a YouTube marketing expert and influencer, recommends establishing your baseline flat fee by looking at the number of views your videos typically get and multiplying it by 5 cents to 15 cents per view, which is around what many brands are willing to pay for views via YouTube ads. According to data from Websts, the potential prices for influencer marketing on YouTube are $200 per video for a YouTuber with 10,000 subscribers, $2,000 per video for a YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers, $20,000 per video for a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers, depending on your leverage, your audience demographics, content quality, and how unique and profitable your niche is. You might be able to negotiate a better deal if the brand is a good fit. 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing refers to earning a commission by promoting a product or service made by another brand. You can become an affiliate marketer for brands and include product placements, endorsements, or other types of content. However, you must disclose the partnerships to viewers in your videos. This works especially well if you review products as part of your YouTube channel. Since there is no risk involved on the brand's end, they only pay when they make sales. There's usually a low bar to getting started. Popular affiliate programs include ClickBank, 1% to 75% commission, depending on what the vendor sets, and Amazon's affiliate network, up to 10% per sale. You can also reach out to brands in your niche that are running their own affiliate programs, which isn't uncommon in the e-commerce space. How many views do you need on YouTube to make money? The average YouTube channel can receive around $18 per 1,000 ad views, which equals around $3 to $5 per video view, according to data from Influencer Marketing Hub. The number of views you get doesn't correlate to revenue earned. If your video gets thousands of views but no one watches or clicks the ad, you won't make any money. This is because of YouTube's criteria for billing advertisers. A viewer must click an ad or watch the video ad in full, 10, 15, or 30 seconds for you to get paid. How to get paid on YouTube. Publish ads on your channel. Offer channel subscriptions. Offer channel memberships. Sign up for affiliate marketing. To start earning money directly through YouTube, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once you reach that, you can apply to YouTube's partner program and monetize your channel. How much money do YouTubers make per year? The top 5 YouTubers as of January 2021 have tens of millions of followers each. Accounts include MrBeast, Jake Paul, Markiplier, Rhett and Link, and Unspeakable. These YouTubers earn upward of $28.5 million per year through their channels. While what they earn is enormous, smaller accounts can still earn a living on YouTube. Take Justine LeConte's YouTube channel for example. She has 913,000 subscribers and 91 million video views on her channel, which helps people dress better and understand fashion. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Knowledge Builder.